In this video, I'll show you how to publish a chat pop-up quiz on a specific page in your Shopify store. First, make sure the quiz you want to display is set as the default quiz. In the app, click the three dots next to it, choose Make Default Quiz, and confirm. You'll see a badge showing it's now the default. Next, go to Online Store, Themes in Shopify, and click Customize. From the Homepage menu, switch to Pages and create a new template. Give it a name, something like Chat Pop-Up Page, and confirm. In the new template, click Add section, go to Apps, and select Chat Button Quiz by RevenueHunt. This will add a chat-style button to the page. When clicked, it opens your quiz in a full-page pop-up. You can customize the chat button in the settings. For example, change the button color using the color picker or by entering a hex code. Adjust the icon color that sits on top of the button. Move the button from bottom right to bottom left. Hide the button after a user completes the quiz, or keep it visible for retakes. Show or hide a notification dot, a small red indicator that attracts attention. Add a greeting message such as, "Hello." Take the quiz, which appears next to the button. You can also adjust the pop-up itself. By default, it opens full width and full height, but you can change the width and height. For example, set it to 90% for a smaller display. If another element overlaps the quiz, increase the ZD index to bring the pop-up to the front. Finally, you can display a specific quiz instead of the default by pasting its quiz ID. To do this, save your changes, return to the app, copy the ID of the quiz you want, and paste it into the chat button settings. From now on, that quiz will appear instead of the default. If you remove the ID, the default quiz will show again. Once you're happy with how the chat pop-up looks in your template, save the changes. Then, apply the template to a page in your store. Exit the editor and go to Online Store, Pages. Click Add Page, give it a name such as Chat Pop-Up Page, and in the Template section, select the new Chat Pop-Up template you created. Make sure the page is set to visible, then save. Now, when you preview that page, the chat button will appear, and clicking it will open your quiz in a pop-up. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.